LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, first of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was exactly within this move, we mentioned if we want to look for trade, one of the options to have entry above this top, which was 216. And now if anyone get this one, right now they should be in the trade. The another option was to wait for the breakout of the top and we get flag or correction for to next trade. This is one of them. And there was one of the another opportunity, the flag, which to trade for this was to have entry at 216. Okay, that's mean right now traders should be in the trade, but no one knows what's the next. And as we can see right now, the way it's moving is a corrective. Okay, first of all, if you put this one in relative to this, based on the indicators, MACD doesn't show us anything, but the another one shows us divergence. Okay, mostly we don't expect for the reversal because most of the charts we can see the start of the up move and know what we can expect to get the correction. May similar to any of this, even the bigger correction. Now we want to see how we can trade it. The only thing is for those traders that they trade, whether from here or having a trade, from 216, at least know they can move, at least manage their trade in case the price move for the bigger correction. But as I mentioned, we expect for the continuation. Okay, as we can see based on daily chart, now we have this one move. We didn't have really good big correction. The deep correction based on daily chart. We want to see whether there is a continuation or not, because the only thing is we had the two correction based on lower time frame. We can see it. Okay, hopefully this one can continue without giving us a correction and the price can break the top. Okay, then if you move to forward chart, we see what we have based on forward chart. No much changes based on whatever we analyzed in my last video. The only thing is we were expecting this one to be similar to what we have here, but as we can see, the way was correcting was different, and that's why we mentioned May at the higher price we can expect for deeper correction. May, whether here or higher, the price can turn move to for the big correction similar to what we have here. Okay, we should know about this possibility. That's why based on 1 hour chart I mentioned, if we are in the trade from whatever we mentioned in my last analysis, we should start to manage it. Okay, at least if there is a reversal, we can at least like move our stop loss to break even and let it go. Okay, because based on 1 hour chart, sorry, 4 hour chart, we want to see what we have here. If we put this two in relative to each other, we have a divergence. And how about the MACD? MACD doesn't show us anything. That's why we have two different results. We cannot confirm. The only thing is we should know how to manage. And based on 4 hour chart, we don't have any other option to look for trade because we don't have any correction. And if you move to 1 hour chart, as I say, from now, mostly we can expect to get any small correction similar to what we have here. If we want to trade, we can trade it, but we consider it as a short-term trade. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it because mostly if there is a move, one small correction, we can trade it. Okay, unless this one turned to a bigger correction similar to what we have here. And right now we don't have any trade set up. In this case, the only thing is whoever is the trade from here or this, which is 216, no, they should at least move their stop loss to break even and just let it go. And we just follow the chart. If I see any trade or update, I will share. Thanks.